We, as Mkhonto Wesizwe, are having nationwide celebrations of the birth date of our Commander General and President Jacob Zuma. And the theme for all these lectures that we're going to conduct in all provinces of South Africa is to now contest the narrative that President Zuma has wasted South Africa's opportunities when he was head of state and president. It was 9 wasted years. So we're going to firmly speak about his legacy, his revolutionary contributions to revolutionary politics in South Africa, but also to articulate his vision as to what becomes the agenda moving forward in terms of total emancipation and full realization of the Freedom Charter objectives. And this is part of the build-up to the inaugural President Jacob Zuma lecture, which is going to be held on the 26th of June 2025. So we are going to launch President Jacob Zuma's lecture series, which will then become an annual event from there on. So this is just part of the build-up. We've got activities that are taking place in Mpumalanga, in Limpopo, in the Western Cape, in KwaZulu-Natal, in all parts of South Africa. There's activities at provincial, regional and sub-regional level. And a lot of branches as well are having different activities to have a solid narrative of President Zuma as a revolutionary, as an honest revolutionary, who has championed the cause and interest of the people. The details of what we're going to talk about we'll explain when we're making the lecture today here in Soweto. I think that is clear.
I'd like to find out about your campaign.
Power. We know that as Mkhonto Wesizwe, we represent majority of the people of South Africa. We are not desperate to enter into power through the ANC coalition or arrangements. We can take power single-handedly as an organization. We've got the necessary capacity to take power by ourselves. That is why less than 6 months into existence, Mkhonto Wesizwe could get upward of 14% of the vote in South Africa and have an outright majority in the province of KwaZulu-Natal in terms of the votes that were announced by the IEC, not in terms of the true reflection of the outcomes which we are still contesting now. So the ANC has written to us. We have responded to say that we do not want to enter into domestic affairs of the so-called government of national unity. Let them deal with their issues. We have got the relevant platforms as MK where we're going to articulate our position.
Commander's morning. Commanders, it's a great honor and privilege to introduce Unobhala on a content like South Africa. Unobhala on the content in South Africa. The one and only Unobhala with content in South Africa. You're welcome, SG. Thank you.
What's up, Mkhonto? What's up? Jigijela, Mkhonto, Jigijela. Happy birthday, President Jacob Zuma. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, President Jacob Zuma. Happy birthday. Ncamalala Sipilele. Iyanyele President Jacob Zuma, iyanyele. Ripilele Ncamalala, ripilele.